Hi there, this is just I think going to hopefully be a quick sort of look at this software I'm going to show you for repairing STL files. Now, as you see, this is in NetFab's Basic 7.3 up there. This is a file I've kept. I know it's faulty, so to speak. You can see it's faulty by this warning sign down here. Now, I can go and repair, click on Automatic Repair, Execute, click Apply Repair, remove the old part, and it's still got the warning sign. Okay, let's exit out of that. So this is the software. Now you need a Steam account for this. So click on here to get the source file. This is a faulty one. See, I have already fixed it, but I'll show you the repair. So I click on that, and it comes up with some details. Apparently you can change the orientation there. I haven't tried that. This can presumably zoom in and out. I don't want to touch anything on there, but by the way, this is the non-commercial version I'm using. For the commercial version, it is very expensive in my view. Anyway, I click next. Scale 100%. I don't know why they ask this, but it does give some options there that kind of impact on it, I believe, if you change the options. I'm just going to select that because that is my normal layer height. Process comes to here. Click next and click export. So I'll just overwrite that one, replace it, yep. And then I'm going to click cancel. And that takes me back there. Go here, go back into NetFab's Basic, add part. I'm going to add this repaired file using that. Now see, it is out of line there, but that doesn't impact on anything, but there's no like triangle down here to indicate any errors. I'll just open this up in CUR3D. This is the repaired file. And we can see that looks, well, okay there. Can't see any problems. Not exactly the smoothest model this. Well, all my models are like that. Okay, so that's a repair. I'll put some details in the description about this. So it's this one. CUR3D Maker Edition I'm using.